Today, we're getting into some repairs. Sometimes, things don't go as planned, but that's all part of the adventure. During one of my rides, I noticed the left mirror had become loose. The thread was completely stripped, meaning it wouldn't hold in place anymore. I had to find a temporary fix on the road using washers. To fix it properly, I ordered a new set of mirror mounts and did the repair back at the garage. For this repair, I gathered a few essential tools. A 10mm socket wrench for loosening the nut. A groove joint pliers for extra grip and remove screw. A hex key, H5, to remove the old adapter. With the old adapter removed, I positioned a new mount and applied a bit of thread locking compound to ensure a firm grip. Once everything was tightened, I gave it a test rock solid. No more loose mirrors on bumpy roads. Now, it's time to move on to the next upgrade.